The MDC of Boldambri constituency, Mr. Stevie M. Mara, has joined the National People's Party today. He technically was a part of the All India Trinamool Congress, and he has today, along with hundreds of his supporters, have joined the National People's Party. As a party, we take this opportunity to thank him and also to welcome him and all his workers and his leaders to the National People's Party. And we are confident that this will be a process that will continue because we will be seeing more leaders from different parts of the state joining the party very soon in the coming days. And as I said, we will not be able to disclose all the details today, but this is, in a way, a beginning of some of the elected members coming in, and we expect more next week will join in. The joining in of Mr. Stevie M. Marak is very important and crucial for us because, number one, he has been a person who has worked in Ampati for many years, and therefore his joining is significant. Number two, he is also an important leader in the Trinamool Congress, and this is also reflecting that there are a lot of uncertainties within the Trinamool Congress as we speak, and therefore a lot of other leaders have also communicated and connected to us and expressed their desire to join. So we are working on those other leaders also. But at this point in time, I once again thank Mr. Stevie M. Mara and his entire supporters for supporting and joining the National People's Party.